Hey everyone, Karmyn here with KT Vocal Studio, and today's lesson is going to be on the ugly Nyea exercise. So as with other videos, if you've not seen my Just the Basics video, please pause here and go back because I'm going to continue this exercise as if you've already heard it, heard the Just the Basics. It talks about the support and the posture and certain verbiage that I use in my studio that help you understand what I'm doing when I'm doing this exercise. Now this exercise is really cool and it's also very ugly, so if you sound pretty in it, you're not doing it right. What it does is it really helps you open up your pharyngeal area and that weird kind of resonation that you hear, and some of it can be too nyeh, 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 but this one I want you to help and feel the open sensation. Nyeh! Plus getting your mouth to work. Nyeh, nyeh. Some people want nyeh, nyeh, nyeh. They don't open it up. And you need to be loud, just playing with the sound, just talking without even singing. Nyeh, nyeh. And it needs to stretch this way. Feel like you're stretching like taffy. Nyeh, nyeh. This part is, of course, you're going up, and this part is your support going down. When we talked a little bit about a seesaw kind of feeling, when you feel support going down, you are easily able to hit those high notes. Nyeh. So this one's very simple. I'm just gonna do it on, well, let's do it in our, for females, in our mix range, and for tenors too. Nyeh. Now it's very, very narrow. As you do that, some people may break. Nyeh. So you've got to think everything very narrow. So imagine all of the notes are in different areas around the side, and you're grabbing them and putting them on one plane or in one roadway. So as you're going up, I want you to feel like you're filtering everything, your breath included, into a very narrow area. So if you do that and keep the air going, you cannot stop the air. Do not hold air back. If you do that, you'll squeeze and do something crazy. And make sure that you're not, yeah, and don't watch your jaw from being really tense. Let your jaw just naturally go back. Yeah. And however you feel it in your mouth, it just, to me, feels like it's just like, yeah. Kind of like a backward C going this way. And let's try the next one. And it's really ugly. It's so unattractive, but let the sound come out. Yeah. Now, when you do that and make that ugly sound, it is not breathy, so it won't be yeah. That's breathy. We don't want that. We want the chords to actually come together. Yeah. You may actually have to focus on the sound happening here. So let's just for a moment think of the glottis. Ah, ah, ah. So make your mouth really big like that. Keep it there. Don't let the mouth move. And you can hold it even if you need to, if your mouth wants to close. Ah, ah, ah. You're going to feel it vibrating a lot. So that's the feeling you want to have, that ah. And that big mouth, sorry, there's stuff outside. People are driving by. It's really loud. I apologize. Going back to this, I want you to really, yeah, get that mouth really open. Yeah. And when you get to that top note, you're going to feel support helping you out there. Yeah. Feel it down here. Again, it is not a pretty sound. If it's a pretty sound, you're not doing it correctly. Now, let's go down to the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one, you can do slow, but you're really getting that jaw to work to find that open, ugly position. Nyeh, 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 nyeh. And so notice I'm not nyeh, 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 nyeh. I'm not squeezing. It's just a natural, it's automatically an ugly sound, so we don't have to make it any uglier. Nyeh, 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 nyeh. 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 Now, since we're going to do that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 again, we've got to think the note on top, the N sound. Nyeh. So we can't go nyeh. We got to think it first. Remember, I talked about in the previous on, I believe, the ning exercise. We talked about that ning, 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 ning. You got to have that moment before. And the same thing happens here with the nyeh, 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 nyeh. You got to think it. So try that. Take that breath in. Hold it for a brief moment. Think. Get your body and yourself in order to make this sound. Nyea, 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 nyea. Nyea, 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 nyea. Make sure you kick down here, make sure kicking, but make sure that you get your support engaged. If you need to lean back just a little bit, go ahead and lean back, but if you lean back, don't lean forward as you go down. Stay all the way back. Nyea, 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 nyea. 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 So all of it, you know, nyea, 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 nyea. So all of that feeling is going to be should be very easy. It's going to be ugly sounding, but it's going to be very easy. So let's continue to go down. Think of the note. It's easier here because it's lower for a soprano or tenor. Nyea, 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 nyea. 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 Last one. Nyea, 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 nyea. So it's not pretty. And the N sound in the A is going to make it a little harder to be nasal. Because remember, we talked about nasal and the honk on, I believe, the Nyea. The Nyea and the Ning. I talked a little bit about what nasal sound it was. And it's hard to do it on the Nyea, 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 because you have to put it, you got to lift and do all kinds of things that you can't do because you're opening your mouth so big. Nyea, 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 Nyea. So make sure that you do this exercise properly with your mouth so that you won't have to have any other complications. So I hope that helped you. I can't cover every single thing with every single issue in all the videos, but if you do have an issue that's not covered, please leave a comment in below. And remember, it's hard since we don't always share the same adjectives of what sounds this way or feels this way. The best thing would be to either take this to a voice teacher and say, hey, I'm having problems with this, or come to me. I teach voice lessons online, and I'd be happy to have a small voice lesson, a 30-minute voice lesson with you on this exercise so that I can help you sort through and see what you're doing correctly or incorrectly, or you may be doing it properly. You never know, it may just feel different. So yeah, again, make sure you subscribe, and thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day, and enjoy singing.